Hey, so the other day I spent a little bit of time in masking out the 1JZ. So I've just covered all the bolt holes and everything. I started off very like pedantic, and then I just decided you probably won't see a lot of it, so I just got a bit more rough with it. But now I'm going to go through with this product called it's just super cheap auto fucking wax and grease remover, and I'm just gonna clean all the grease and wax off. So I use this wax and grease remover to clean off any gross stuff before I paint, so that it has the best possible surface to paint to. So I'll let that soak in and dry off, and I'll probably wipe it. Then I'll start priming. So for the paint product I went with is just this duplicate colour. So engine enamel primer and engine enamel with ceramic. It can withstand heat up to 500 degrees, so that'll be good for the engine block. It also just has a photo of the engine on the front. I went with low gloss black. I think it'll just look better. And yeah, it's gonna be sweet. So I'm shaking the can heaps. I'm gonna start painting. This is just a primer. I'll probably do 1 or 2 coats. So that is the first coat completed. I'm not a painter or spray painter, and I've had like barely any experience. I think this side was a lot thicker. You can see all in those bits. It's like run down a bit, but hey, I don't care. You won't really see much of it. So it's time to put on some colour and stick. So I've done the first coat with the colour, obviously. Not too happy with it. I've got a bunch of runs and stuff, but I'll fix it up and make it look better. Comparing that to that, it's pretty crazy. So the first coat on this side is done. I stuffed up in here. I'll try to fix it while it was wet. It was like running down and stuff, so I'll probably sand that back or something to fix it. Coming around to this side though, I did a much better job on this side. So this side we got a second coat straight away. The other side I'll have to redo. But yeah, it's looking so nice. I'm so excited for this. In the meantime, just check out my other videos. I'll probably end this video here. I'll show you once it's done and once it's up on the core plugs and everything back in. Other than that, yeah, have a good one. Please like, comment and subscribe.